HSCers in the house. Are you ready? The exam is coming.